Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to limit who can see a specific post on your Facebook newsfeed. It's super easy, so let's get into it. The first thing that we need to do is open the Facebook app on our phone and click on What's on Your Mind. Here you can adjust who can see your post by clicking this icon. Right now it is set up to public, but you can click on it and set it up to friends except someone or a specific friend or just you. Now if you want to edit who can see your past posts or old posts, you just need to click on menu, click on your profile, and scroll down to that specific post. And you just need to click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the screen and edit post privacy. Click on that. And here you can edit who can see your post. And you just need to confirm by clicking the Done button located at the top right corner of the screen, and that's it. That's how you limit who can see a specific post on your news feed. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!